Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to manage your accounts in your Samsung Galaxy M15. To manage all of your accounts, go to settings here and scroll down to accounts and backup here. There is a manage account and then you will see your all accounts on your phone. In my case it's Gmail account and Samsung account. You can click here to auto sync your account or disable it if you don't wish. You can now add more account if you wish here, or you can delete or remove account from here if you don't want to use some accounts for now. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.